just crushed black peppers, just weigh around only one.
Hello there, so today me and my dad are going to make a healthy omelette within 3 minutes, including the sprouted green lentil.
Yes, right. I will show the ingredients. Let's start with the ingredients. First of all, 3 pieces of eggs, sprouted green lentils, 3 pieces of cherry tomatoes, black peppers, olive oil and salt. Take around 50 grams of sprouted lentil and wash thoroughly with running cold water like that. This is the washed sprouted lentil. Make sure whenever you wash the lentil, you have to completely remove the skin of the sprouted lentil. This is a must. Break the egg and separate the white and yolk separate like that. Beat the egg white until it becomes fluffy. Now the egg white almost ready. Then I have to mix the egg yolk into the mixer. Add salt as well. Just combine together. I mean egg yolk and egg white. Slowly beat it. Slowly, okay? Like that. Heat the pan. Then add 5 ml of olive oil. Ready? Just pour the mixture into the pan. Don't mix it. Add the sprouted lentil only the half way through, like this. Okay, now just put the sliced cherry tomatoes. I cut into around 6 pieces. Then sprinkle black peppers like that. After 1 minute, just turn it. Just fold the omelette in a half moon shape. Like that, okay? Turn into to the other side. Look, the omelette, nicely fluffy omelette. See, when you touch here, which is little harder, which means is all ready. At least 1 minute enough. Now I've just shifted into our plate. Also, tomato here. You can put it here. 1 tomatoes. Then I need to add a pinch of olive oil. I mean around 2 to 3 drops of olive oil over here, and on a sprinkle on top of the omelette. Just crushed black peppers, just weigh around only one. Okay, this is our healthy omelette. Please try it.
Yes.
How is that?
Very good. I like the crunchiness and the really soothing taste of the food. You cooked it really well and really tasty.
Okay.
Oh, anyways, so you might have noticed we make omelettes in our day-to-day lives. But thing is that this omelette is extra special and more tasty, and one thing that's really good is that we can make it within 3 minutes compared to other regular ones. Right, Dad?
Yes, absolutely correct.
Yes, so please try to make this at home and you will never regret it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you.